Hello friends, this video on aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. This for this IUPAC name. So the first one is CH3 2CHCHO. So let me first write that. This is my compound. Yeah, this is my compound and this is my longest chain. Numbering will start from here 1, 2 and 3. Correct. So now I have to write the common name also and the IUPAC name also. So for common name, this is my derived from isobutane, yeah, isobutanoic acid or something, yeah. So it will be isobutyraldehyde. This is derived from isobutyric acid. For IUPAC name, we have a better rules. Let's focus on IUPAC name. So at second position, I have a methyl group, right? If you see this is my chain, this is my extra substitute chain. So at second position, I have a methyl group. So it will be 2-methyl. The number of carbon in the chain is 3. Propanol. Correct. Let's see this. This is again common name and IUPAC name. For this, the common name will be common name. For common name, you have used alpha, beta, gamma because this is my aldehyde group. So this is my alpha. This is my beta. We have told that this will be alpha because this is my carbon. And to this COH actually we put like this, yeah. So this is pretty clear, yeah, COH. So in this carbon is attached directly is my alpha. This carbon becomes beta, and this becomes gamma. Yeah, alpha, beta, gamma. Correct. So the common name for this will be CN is common name. Gamma, at gamma I have methyl group. This is my cyclohexanaldehyde. This is my common name because this is derived from cyclohexanoic acid. Let's write the IUPAC name, pretty better IUPAC name because we have more better rules. So for IUPAC name, this is my again cyclic compound. So my first carbon will be numbering will be this, correct? The place where my COH group is desired. This is my position 1, this is position 2, this is position 3. Correct? Please note, I will not start from this. The numbering starts in the ring only. See, in this case, I have taken 1 as this carbon. Right? My carboxylic group carbon. But in this case, cyclic group, I am taking 1 as this carbon. Right? Because I am doing the numbering in the ring itself. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am doing the numbering in the ring. So the numbering starts in the ring from the carbon that is nearest to COH group. So in this case, the IUPAC name is at third I have a methyl group. So it will be 3-methyl. And then I will have cyclohexane. And we have to append this with benzaldehyde, right? This is benzaldehyde here. Cyclohexane, benzaldehyde. So it is 3-methyl cyclohexane benzaldehyde. So please note, in the IUPAC name, when you talk about the normal carbons, the branch or the straight carbon, the COH group is also part of the chain, right? So you start the numbering from COH group itself. But in this case, the cyclic ones where you have to number in this ring, you don't include that COH. Let's take some more examples to clear our doubts. We'll see this. Again, here also we have to write some common name and IUPAC name. First, let's draw the structure. CH3, CH, OCH3, Then I have COOH. Correct. This is my longest chain. Since it's the straight one chain, I'll include this. This is 1, this is 2, and this is third carbon. Correct. So first let me take the IUPAC name. So for IUPAC name, you see at second position I have a methoxy group. Why is OCS3? It's a methoxy group. So at second position I have a methoxy group. So it will be 2-methoxy, and then I have meth pro, 3 carbon in the chain, propanol. This will be the IUPAC name. Pretty easy. At 2 I have methoxy, just say 2-methoxy propanol. Let's try the common name. So common name, we have alpha, beta, gamma. This is my COH group. So please note, when you say write the common name, you don't include this COH. You start alpha and beta like this. So alpha is the carbon that is attached to the COH group. So my alpha carbon is beta carbon. So at alpha I have a methoxy. So I'll use alpha methoxy. This is from a propanoic acid. So it is propanaldehyde. Alpha methoxy propanaldehyde. Correct. This is 2-methoxy propanol, and the common name is alpha methoxy propanaldehyde. Let's take this as a straight chain, right? 2, 3, 4 carbon, and let's see. This is the chain we have. You can add extra carbons if you want. Now in this case, to write the IUPAC name, I'll start the numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fact, numbering is not required because there is no branch here, right? So the 5 carbon. So the IUPAC name I'll write first. 5 is what? Pent. It's pentanol. Common name, there's a common name for this. That is called valeraldehyde, because it is derived from varolactoic acid. That's why there is no such concrete rule for common name. You have to remember some of them, but IUPAC name actually you don't have to remember. Just if you know the logic, you can find the IUPAC name. Let's take this example. We draw the structure first. If you draw the structure, you can easily make out the compound. Now in this case also I gave 1, 2, 3, the naming convention. So first I'll write the IUPAC name again. So if you see at 2 I have a ene, right? So but there is no branch. So it is meth pro. So it's pro. At 2 I have ene. Pro2enal. That is the IUPAC name. Meth pro 3 carbon. At 2 I have ene, so pro2en, and you have to add Al aldehyde for COH group, right? Prop is 1, 2 is 1, ene is 1, al is 1. Prop2enal. If you want to write the common name of this, the common name of this compound is acrolein. Why does acrolein? I don't know. Just like that. Scientists used to call it acrolein. In the past, still they call it, so it is acrolein. Let's see some more examples. So I have this compound. We write the IUPAC name for this. So if you see this is a benzene ring. In the benzene ring, I have at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did the numbering in such a way so that COH group get the least number. So in this case, it is benzene, and 1, 2 position I have a carbaldehyde. So the IUPAC name will be benzene 1, 2 di, because there are 2 carbaldehyde, and carbaldehyde. Why carbaldehyde? Because they are 2 carbaldehydes. So it's benzene 1,2-dicarbaldehyde. You want to write the common name? Common name again is something little weird. This is the aldehyde. Let's remember this common name. Let's take this compound. Let's try to find the IUPAC name. As I told, for ring, this is my COH group. The carbon attached to COH groups will be in one position. And then I have to number either in this way or this way to make sure that the bromine gate is the lesser number. If I start from this, in this direction anti-clockwise, 1, 2, 3, 4, bromine gate is the fourth number. Start in clockwise direction, 1, 2, 3, bromine gate is the third number. So I'll take the clockwise direction and give bromine number 3. So IUPAC name will be at 3 I have bromo group. So it is 3 bromo. And then I have a benzene. And then I have carbaldehyde. You can also say is 3-bromobenzenaldehyde. Both are same because it is also called benzaldehyde. So you can also say 3-bromobenzenaldehyde. Anything you can say. Let's try the common name. So for common name, if you see, this is at meta position. Right? This is ortho. This is meta position. This is para position. If you consider this as a base, right? It's ortho, meta, and para. So at meta, I have a bromine. So it will be meta bromobenzenaldehyde. This will be the common name because the whole thing is benzaldehyde, common name. But this common name is popularly accepted. If you see in the IUPAC name also we use benzaldehyde because this is pretty accepted name as IUPAC name also. But the actual IUPAC name is benzene carbaldehyde. But since this is so much popular, in fact benzaldehyde is also accepted as the common IUPAC name. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.